हेलो दोस्तों, आपका फिर से स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पर। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर 4 के सॉल्यूशन, जो कि है मटेरियल्स, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। देखिए क्वेश्चन 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी बीटन इनटू थिन शीट्स? आंसर इज जिंक। क्वेश्चन 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? हियर द स्टेटमेंट B and D are incorrect. A is also incorrect, only C is correct. Here in question 3, fill in the blanks. Phosphorus is very reactive non-metal. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Iron is more reactive than copper. Metals react with acid to produce hydrogen gas. Next, question 4. Mark T if the statement is true and F if false. First, generally non-metals react with acids. False. Sodium is very reactive metal. True. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. False. Coal can be drawn into wires. False. Next, question 5. Some properties are listed in the following table. Distinguish between metals and non-metals on the basis of these properties. Appearance: metal lustrous, non-metals dull. Hardness: metals hard, non-metals soft. Malleability: metals are malleable, non-metals are not malleable. Ductility: metals are ductile, non-metals are not ductile. Heat conduction: metals are good conductor, non-metals are bad conductor. And last, the conduction of electricity: metal are good conductor and non-metal are bad conductor. Here question 6, give reason for the following. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Why? Because the aluminium foils are highly malleable and it doesn't react with food. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substance. Yes, because they are good conductors of heat and electricity, and they are easily used to heating liquid and made of metallic substance. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. Why? Because the zinc is more reactive than copper. Fourth, sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Why? Because they are highly reactive metals and they can catch fire when they come in the contact of air. Question 7. Can you store lemon pickle in an aluminium utensils? Explain. Answer: no, we cannot store lemon pickle in aluminium utensils. As metal react with acid to liberate hydrogen gas, the pickle can be spoiled, which is acidic in nature. Question 8. In the following table, some substances are given in the column 1. In column 2, some uses are given. Match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. C. Gold, jewelry. Iron, machinery. Aluminium, wrapping food. Carbon, fuel. Copper, electric wire. And mercury, thermometer. Question 9th. What happens when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? C. When the sulfuric acid is placed on the copper plate, the copper reacts with the acid and creates the copper sulfate and produce hydrogen gas. And second, iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. If we place an iron nail in copper sulfate solution, then the copper sulfate solution became the iron sulfate and creates copper. Question 10. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in test tube. How will she find the nature of gas? First, he will add some water in test tube and may shake it well. After that, she will test it by litmus. Blue litmus turns red. Therefore, the nature of the gas is acidic. Second, write down the word equation of all reactions taking place in this process. Charcoal, when react with the oxygen, forms carbon dioxide gas. You can see a diagram also. And the last question is question 11th. One day, Rita went to jewelry shop with her mother. Her mother gave old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they bought the jewelry back, they found there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest the reason for loss in weight? Answer: to polish a gold ornament, it is dipped in an acid, which is called aqua regia. The outer layer of the gold dissolves in the acid and the inner shiny layer is visible, बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉस ऑफ अपर लेयर ऑफ ज्वेलरी इट्स वेट गेट रेड्यूस। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।